Let's check one more, children. What is this one trying to say? A town has 3,000 literate people in the year 2000. And this number increases by 200 per year. How many literate people will be there till the year 2030? Find the formula to know the number of literate people after n years. So once again, as per the question, a town has 3,000 literate people. So your A is 3,000. We already have the first term as. And in the year 2000, and the number increases by 200 per year. So every year the number increases by 200. 200 this year, 200 next year. So is the difference between the successive years of people getting literate is 200? D is 200. How many will be there in the year 2030? So what exactly they are asking? T30. How come T30? Directly they did not say. Year 2000 is what they have given the figure. 2030 is what they are asking. What is the difference? 30 years. So T30 is what they are asking. Moreover, in additional to what they have asked us, find the formula to know the number of literate people after n years. We will take that particular question also, but let's first complete the first part of the question. So as we write down, with us starting the literacy in the year 2020, number of literate people in 2000 is 3,000 per year. Increase per year, or you can say increase in number of literate people. Increase in number of literate people per year is 200. Therefore, the literate or number of literate people in a town, therefore the number of literate people in a town forms an AP with, how much is A? With A 3,000 and D 200. With A 3,000 and D 200. What we need to find out? T30 using T30, or first write down the formula using Tn A plus n minus 1 D. T30 A 3,000 n minus 1, n is 30 minus 1, D is 200, 3,000 plus 29 into 200, 5,800. Answer is 8,800. So their first answer, how many literate people will be there in the year 2030? There will be 8,800 literate people in the year 2030. This forms the first answer of our question. This is the first answer of our question. Find the formula to know the number of literate people after n years. So what exactly are they asking? They are asking me the general formula for Tn. That doesn't mean what you are thinking. Tn ka general formula is we all are aware. But in context to the sum, they are asking what is Tn. After every year, you can say a question might be asked, not after 2030. What will be after 2032? What will be after 2034? What will be after 2042? So they are asking a general formula whereby we just need to put n, right, and we get the answer. That means in that way they are asking us the general. So why find the formula using what? Once again, Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D. Indeed, we need to find out Tn. So Tn, A is the same, 3,000 plus n. I don't know. So the answer will be in terms of n only. We don't know what is n. That's what we are finding, children. General formula. N minus 1. D is how much? 200. So Tn is equals to 3,000 plus 200n minus 200. 3000 minus 200 is 2800 plus 200n. This is what they are asking, the general formula. This is what they are asking. Find the formula for this after n years. So we can say, what is the formula? The formula to know the number of literate people after n years is the formula to know what? The number of literate people. The number of literate people after n years. After n years is 2800 plus 200n. This is what it is. Right?